What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. So as you see here, we have hydroxyl group and we have chlorine here. The first thing we need to find out the main branch. I think this one is going to be the main branch. How many carbons we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are dealing with heptane or heptanol. So let's start numbering them. We need to start from this side, not this side, because that has the lowest number, this hydroxyl group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we can say it's going to be 3 chloro. How many methyl we have? We have 1 methyl here at 2, 1 methyl at 4, 1 methyl at 5. So it's going to be 2, 4, 5 trimethyl, 1 heptanol. One heptanol because this hydroxyl group connects to the first one, so that's why it's 1 heptanol. So it's 3 chloro, 2, 4, 5 trimethyl, 1 heptanol. This is going to be the name of this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.